Hi, we're here at Esley Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at Indigo Blue 7x16 enclosed trailer. At the front we do have our jack coupler and safety chains, as well as your stone guard. This is silver stone guard at the bottom and tip of your V-nose. There is a 36-inch passenger side door. Comes equipped with a RV and bar lock. This trailer has teardrop aluminum fenders, as well as a screwed exterior. Coming to the rear of our trailer, there is a spring assisted loading ramp with an extended flap. This trailer does have LED brake lights, as well as two vents, one at the rear and one at the front of this trailer. We have our passenger side door from the inside with your bar lock. There is a light switch for a 12-volt dome light. The inside of this trailer is 7 foot interior height. You have your spring assist system. Coming to the outside of our trailer, there are two 3,500 pound axles on 15-inch wheels and tires. Once again, this is a 7x16 Indigo Blue enclosed trailer. If you were interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.